Yeah, this will be our fun today to do this Victorian small tiles. We'll play with this for a while. We just put to see how it looks like and how we need to start, because this is fun, really fun. I'll show you a bit later again. We'll do this one and on top there. Yeah.